Back, folks, and we got another truck for you here. This is the 13 Ford F-150 XLT crew cab long bed. It's a 6.5 box, everybody. It's a true crew cab. It's an EcoBoost 3.5 liter twin turbo motor. It's definitely four-wheel drive. Bed liner, steps, power seat, power adjustable pedals. One owner, folks, no accidents, plenty of dealer service, clean. Truck is well maintained and runs down the road exceptionally well. Got the chrome package with the steps, guaranteed credit approval, full effect on this truck. Folks, you can be into this twin turbo crew cab F-150 for $15.95 starting down. And this truck is all that. Guaranteed credit approval, service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Easy financing terms, couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, and an hour of your time. And we can get you in a crew cab F-150 just like this. DasCleveland.com.